Hello everyone, happy Friday, happy Thanksgiving, and we are going to kick off this holiday weekend with a video about this. This is by Nature Wells. This is a Target gift set that is supposed to be a dupe for Sol de Janeiro. These are 4 mists. Price $20 with Target Circle. I got this for $10. This was the only one at my nearest Target location. We snagged it. We're going to check it out. I'm super excited. So the mists have names of like moods. This is for hair and body. So very similar to Sol de Janeiro. Packaging, if you've seen these, they do give off Sol de Janeiro vibes, but we are all about dupes. So let's take a look. Here we have Sol de Janeiro 71. So we see the tops, a little bit more substantial top. There's 3 fluid ounces in here. Oh, and 3 fluid ounces in this one. So I'm looking at the bottles here, and this is my favorite. I only have like 3 of the Sol de Janeiros, but this one's my favorite. Okay. So this has vanilla, toasted macadamia, and tonka bean. And this one has almond salted caramel. Kind of similar, so we'll give this one on this arm. Okay. So, and this is cheeky in the Nature Wells. I think this Sol de Janeiro on this arm, I like this better just because it's a personal preference. This is a nice scent though. So this one is like a sweeter gourmand scent. It's got vanilla and it's more caramely. This one is similar, but it doesn't have the same vanilla scent. It's not as sweet smelling. I think this is pretty close though, but I would go with this over that one. So like I said, I have 40 in a little mini for Sol de Janeiro and 76. So let me look at the notes here on Bouncy by Nature's Well. Okay. So both of these have amber in it. I think this one, vanilla wood. Okay, so in the red and beamy in the Nature Wells has some of the similar notes too. So let's try both of these and then see if we can get a close dupe. Okay. So I'm just smelling the 40 and we're going to go with this one. This is Bouncy in Nature's Well. Or Nature Well. Ooh, okay. So far, Sol de Janeiro 40 and Bouncy match up pretty good. I'm going to try Beamy in the Nature Well just because they kind of have some crossover notes too. Okay. This is a little different than that. So I would say dupe-wise, Sol de Janeiro 40 and Nature Well Bouncy. These are more similar than Sol de Janeiro 71, I'm sorry, and Nature Well Cheeky. So let me look at 70. This is the other one that I have, Sol de Janeiro 76. Look at some notes here. Um, Let me just smell this one against one of the nature wells. Okay. So Sol de Janeiro 76, Nature Well Beamy, a little crossover, but I wouldn't say like a direct dupe. So closest, at least out of the ones I have, would be Nature Well Bouncy and Sol de Janeiro 40. These would be hard to tell. I mean, they are pretty darn close. So, guys, I think these two, you could I mean, they're very nice. I don't know if I would say they're a direct dupe, except for the with the Sol de Janeiro 40. They're in the ballpark, though. They do smell nice. Again, it's your preference. If you just want to spend the money, get the Sol de Janeiro, because they do have a lot of sets. Or, you know, you could definitely do a little stocking stuff, or maybe somebody would like this. You know, they don't have to be like into Sol de Janeiro and expensive perfumes and everything. So it would be a good gift anyway. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we will see you in the next one. And happy holidays, everybody.